Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make these planter earrings that I'm wearing here. Last year I made a collection of planter earrings out of clay and resin. I've noticed that it was kind of hard to make both the clay and the resin planters long lasting and not break. So I remodeled the process to make the earrings themselves just a lot more durable and long lasting and a lot more satisfying project all around. So I hope that you enjoy this new process and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright friends, so for this project we're going to need 2 tiny little glass bottles. I got these from the dollar store. I think they come in a pack of 5. We're going to need some fake, greenery, also from the dollar store. It's just $1 for the bundle, and you can, choose whatever kind that you like there. You're going to need some chain, and this was already pre-cut for my chain roll that I have. Next, you're gonna need also these clasps. You can use earring hooks, whatever your preference is. I just like the little clasps. And you're gonna need jump rings. Last but not least, you're gonna need your amazing fast cast resin here, the kind that cures in like 10 minutes or so. Okay, so your first step here is to just take these tops off of these tiny glass bottles. Like that, and I just have been keeping these. These might be good for a future project, you never know. And then you're going to mix your resin. So for this, I think the best amount is just doing a capful of each. So you're gonna do a capful of side A. Then you're gonna do a capful of side B. This is a great moment to add any color if you desire any, but I'm gonna keep these white, so I won't be adding any color. So what you're gonna do before you pour it is add these chains inside the bottle and have them hang however you would like the chains to be. I kind of keep them just like this long here. Pour the resin only halfway through the bottle. And the reason I do this is to secure the chain inside of the bottle before we add any plants. That way, your chain doesn't become disconnected from your little planter. So then we're gonna let those cure. Okay, now that these are cured, it's now time to bring in your greenery. So I just make the stems as long as, they need to be for the bottle itself and where the resin sits. So I do want it to be this high. I think that looks okay, maybe a little bit shorter. So I'm gonna trim it just a tiny bit there. And then kind of just assemble your bouquet. Okay, now that they're cured, I like to clean them up and remove any resin that has possibly spilled, but it looks like this was a pretty clean pour. Now it's time to just add the hooks. Let's open these up. I know you're supposed to use a tool for these, but I just do them with my fingers, which is terrible. And then you just add the hook here. And there you have it. There's the first one and the second one. Alright, so that's pretty much it. It's actually pretty simple and pretty durable pair of little planter earrings. And again, you can make them whatever color you would like. Just add that colored dye in the resin before you pour it into this little pot. I hope you guys try it out and have some success with this tutorial. Thanks for watching.